problem, and it usually happens when you need that umbrella the most! The GustBuster Umbrella claims it's the most unflippable, unflappable, and unleakable umbrella in the world, and that it can withstand winds of more than 55 miles per hour. Wow, that's pretty hard to ignore, so we got tester Bernie Dietrich on the job. Instead of waiting for the next storm, Bernie came up with a brilliant idea. Strap open umbrellas to the outside of a car and drive. Okay, it was a bit more thought out and technical. Bernie and his team tested a GustBuster umbrella against a regular foldable totes umbrella. They started out slowly and drove at faster and faster speeds, with the umbrellas catching the wind, since that's how many umbrellas are damaged. The totes umbrella inverted, and some of its arms bent at just 15 miles per hour. The GustBuster kept on going, inverting at 30 miles per hour, but making it through even with final speeds topping 50 miles per hour. The GustBuster also works well as an umbrella, and while it does cost more than the regular totes umbrella, you probably won't have to replace this one as often, unless of course you lose it. I'm Teresa Panetta for Consumer Reports.